Hey, 반갑습니다. I'm here in Nampo-dong today, which is one of the main shopping hubs in Busan. There's a couple main strips in Nampo, and this is the secondary one that I'm on. It's kind of like the intercoastal waterway in Florida that separates the main land and this long strip of land going north and south. Everything is here, and this is usually where I come to shop and eat since it's so close. And if I'm having a motivated day, I could walk here. There's lots to eat here, but I came here today for this Chinese Korean dish called Tang Soo Yuk, which is sweet and sour pork usually. Sometimes they make it with beef or chicken. The batter is a little lighter than a takeout joint back home. It's good stuff, but not exactly cheap. This dish was about $9. Right now I'm realizing it's a little creepy to film myself eating alone at a restaurant. The sacrifices I make. In the end, this dish didn't stand a chance. Getting back out on the strip looked like some event was about to happen or just ended. Either way, I'll pass.
Nampo-dong. You gotta watch out the cars behind me, don't try to run me over. This is where you can get all your knockoffs. And not just knockoffs, but like inexpensive accessories, I guess you could call it. And cheaper, these are knockoff shirts here. I didn't know if you can see those, but you can get belts, hats, t-shirts, all your hiking garb. Your knockoff purses and things like that. Walking through some of the back streets here. Now I'm back on the main strip. It's actually pretty quiet here because it's Sunday. Except for this guy selling his Korean pop music. Yeah, boy. Ended up getting one of these waffle. I'm gonna sit down because I keep hitting people in the head with this camera. I got one of these waffle sandwiches. It's got like whipped cream in the middle and something that tastes like apple butter, if you know what that is from back home. It's like it's apple and and but it's in the consistency of like watery peanut butter, and I think that's what's in there. It's not like what you would expect. Like when I eat a pastry, I like there to be like a lot of filling in there, like the cream and stuff. And there isn't a whole lot in here, but still better than nothing. It's pretty good. All these booths, these red and yellow booths that you see behind me, these are all like black magic places, like tarot reading cards, and reading your palms and all that kind of stuff. A lot of Koreans are into that kind of stuff. There's a whole bunch of them here. And they're all over the place in Busan and throughout Korea. Palm reading or tarot cards, it's just very common. Here's some more here. Every single one of these booths is for palm reading and tarot card reading. See?
Here's one last look at Nampo-dong before I jump on my bus back home. It was nice eating and chatting with you. See you next time.